Are you a victim of abuse who wonders if you're the abuser? Sometimes you mirror your abuser as a means of survival. You may unconsciously resort to manipulation to get your needs met. So how is it different when a victim manipulates versus an abuser? Let's talk about intent and impact. It can be a means of self-protection and adaptation to toxic or abusive relationship dynamics. An abuser wants power and control, so they're going to manipulate, gaslight, demean, criticize. A victim might mimic some of those behaviors. You're trying to mitigate the abuse, reduce conflict, and even gain approval. It's an unconscious defense mechanism aimed at reducing harm and surviving. You might also do it just to get your needs met. Currently, you're in a power imbalance where your needs are constantly disregarded. You may unconsciously become passive-aggressive, manipulative, guilt trip, or withhold affection. But these behaviors are reactive. They're not an attempt to gain power and control.
Stronger than